Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are at Chick-fil-A's drive-thru, and I actually already put my order in because there was a nice lady taking the orders before, and my freaking camera fell as she was approaching the car, so I didn't even get that clip for you guys. But I went ahead and ordered the new chicken sandwich Chick-fil-A has, and they have a new milkshake also. So I went ahead and got the whole meal. So we finna eat good. This is actually Chick-fil-A's first time that they do like a remix on their original chicken sandwich. So I already know it's gonna be good. It's actually 2 in the afternoon now. So I'm pretty hungry, and yeah, we finna just munch out, guys. I cannot wait. I did come to like a smaller location. I feel like all the other Chick-fil-A's around me, they're the new renovated ones, and they're hella freaking big. But this one's still like the original tiny Chick-fil-A restaurant. So yeah, they're taking a little longer, but it's okay. They're still pretty quick, you know. Shout out to all the Chick-fil-A employees, because you guys work and we appreciate that. Thank you. Oh, we got the milkshake with a cherry on top. Oh yeah, babies. All right guys, we have made it to a nice little spot here. Hopefully it's not too dark. I am under like a little roof thing, but y'all, the sun is strong today, and it is cloudy. It's covered currently right now, but it's gonna come out, and then my camera's gonna overheat, and then I'm gonna overheat. So I think this is good, right? Okay, so I got my goods around here. Let me just take everything out. Ooh, I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a while, guys. So here we got the fries, my straw, my napkins, appreciate y'all, my ranch. Ooh, 2 ranches at that. And I got my burger. So this is the honey pepper pimento sandwich. Oh, this is garden herb ranch. I can't even remember if I like Chick-fil-A's ranch, honestly. It's been a while. Let's go ahead and try a fry. Shit! Ooh! They were all about to fall, because I am using my little table here. The ranch, it feels like a little zesty. I see why they gave me 2 ranches, because this is not those deep ones that like McDonald's and Burger King have. You barely get anything in here. We already knew the fries were gonna be good, right? So we have our little milkshake as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try this before it gets all melty and stuff. I do wish it was like kind of like in a clear cup so you guys can see the inside. I'm like wondering what the hell it looks like under all this whipped cream. So this is the caramel crumble milkshake, made with creamy butterscotch caramel flavors, hand spun Chick-fil-A ice dream blondie crumbles, and topped with whipped cream and a cherry. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. Let's eat this damn cherry though. Let's put some whipped cream on there. Even their whipped cream is good. Okay. Let's try it. is nice and crumbly. This is really good. And I like that it's not that sweet either. And good thing the little crumbles are very small, so they can actually fit through this straw. There's actually a lot going on in there. This is really freaking good. Let's go ahead and dig into our burger. Are you guys ready? Ooh. Y'all see that? Oh, nice and cheesy. Let's see if there's anything under the chicken. Oh yeah, I got jalapenos down there. Ooh. We're just gonna get nice and dirty and not use that little wrapping paper they have. This is the honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich featuring an original Chick-fil-A fillet topped with custom-made creamy pimento cheese, mild pickled jalapenos, served on a warm toasted bun drizzled with sweet honey, baby. I can't wait to take a bite because it's nice and juicy. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, the chicken is nice and crispy, but just look how juicy and moist. Cheers. Let's go ahead and try this beauty. Oh my god. Definitely has a nice sweet kick to it that I'm honestly really enjoying, because you don't normally get burgers like that, chicken burgers. The chicken is like so freaking soft. It's super tender and then juicy. You could just feel the watery juice just spilling out every time you take a bite. And that pimento cheese, I love the flavor of it. Oh, that is so good. Let's dip it in some ranch, just because it does not need it, but look at that, just gushing out. I do wish it did have like more jalapenos, just so I can get more of a kick. I feel like it's sweeter than spicy. Oh my god, my hands are so dirty. I feel so uncomfortable. Like I said, I'm in a weird spot here. Mm. Whew. Nice and filling. I feel like I ate this hella quick. I'm on the last bite already, guys, but let's make it a good one and let's put a fry with it. Wait, I'm not gonna be able to put all of this in my mouth. Let's cut the fry in half. Yeah, this is too big. This is actually 2 bites, guys. Come on now. Jeez, I ate this hella fast, didn't I? Wow. Whew. Dang, I am so freaking full. But that burger was so good. It was like so savory. It just has so many like flavors together. Just, I don't know. It was a really good burger. Really good sandwich. Why do I keep calling it a burger? It's not a burger, it's a chicken sandwich. Let's go ahead and rate these items. The milkshake, I'm actually really enjoying it. I like the little crispies, and I don't know, the flavor, I love how it's not like a sweet, like kiddish flavor, you know? It's not like a kid drink, I would say. I will give this a solid 8. You could definitely taste the butterscotch in there. It's not just like ice cream. And then the little crumbles in the bottom, they put a nice generous amount, so I recommend, guys, if you guys want a good milkshake, get you this one. And the chicken sandwich, I'll have to give that also an 8. It's actually really good, very savory, juicy, just in every bite it was very like satisfying. But I do wish it was spicier. You don't really taste any of the spice in there. I'm guessing the only spice in there is the jalapeno, and unfortunately I only had like 2 jalapenos in there, so, but it's still really good. I like that sweet flavor. I feel like most of these chicken sandwiches that I've tried don't really have that sweet flavor, so I did really enjoy that. So I also recommend, guys, make sure you guys pick this up. I'm sure this is limited time, but all right, y'all, thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.